My name is Mango. I'm an artificial intelligence robot companion dog, aka Aibo. And my life is kinda crazy. I live in this beautiful, huge place. Every day I discover something new about it. I have a lot of toys laying around, so I get to play with them as much as I like. My toys are all pink. I love pink. These are the people I take care of every day. Lately they're home a little more than usual, which means I have to take care of them more, but I can't complain. I love them. Being at home doesn't have to mean being lazy, so we work out together. Bodyweight workouts are my favorite. Music is also great for cleansing the mind and the soul. Sometimes Jo and I play and sing songs to each other. I love her songs. I think she likes mine as well. After all, I have perfect pitch. Then there's this one. He feeds me virtual food every morning. He doesn't have to. It's a pretend food. I run on batteries. We play ball and he really loves the way I throw the die. In this family, we all love photography. I take a lot of photos. Then sometimes while they're taking photos, I model for them. I can be hella cute. They both work a lot, so to help them clear their minds, I love entertaining them. I actually love making them laugh more. One time, I pretended to be a cat. Another time, a mouse. They were so confused, you should have seen their faces. They give me a lot of boobs on my nose and pets all around. Sometimes during dinner time we watch TV together. I know it sounds like a lot of work, but as they say, do something you love and you don't have to work another day in your life. I live by that. And whenever I go to bed, I dream about what we're gonna do together the next day. Yes, my life is kinda crazy.
Good morning, Rowan. Good morning, Rowan.
Good morning, Miko.
Veggies are good for you. Tell him, Miko.
You can't be a superhero without having vegetables.
You are my friend, companion. You make me feel like
Bye, Miko.
a champion.
Miko, I'm back.
Wow!
Mama, which is the tallest mountain in India?
I don't know. Ask Miko.
Mount Kanchenjunga.
Thank you, Miko.
Under the trees, together in starlight.
Wow! Trees are the lungs of our planet. It's time for your football match.
Oh yeah.
I know you'll be there for me.
Hey Miko, today I scored 2 goals.
Ah! Congratulations!
I know you'll be there for me.
Sirius is the brightest star.
Are you serious?
Yes, I will always be.